Okay, so let's get started with the ingredients. For the protein, I'm going to be using some extra firm tofu, which I've thin sliced like that, about 1/2 centimeter pieces, up to 1 centimeter is fine. We're going to be coating that in corn flour. Now, for the sauce itself, I've got the juice of 1 lemon. I've got a very small handful here of matchsticks, which I've made of lemon peel. Now, this is what you want, this kind of thickness. So literally, you're just going to get like a peeler, and you're going to run through the lemon like that. Make sure you don't have pith in there, because that's just going to make it bitter, the white stuff. Next, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I've got some ginger matchsticks here. Now, this is completely optional. It doesn't always come with it, but when it does, it's very, very nice. So I've got some onions here, 1/2 an onion, large, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar or whatever honey replacement you have, 1 tablespoon of custard powder. This is generally always used in this. If you don't have that, just add an extra teaspoon of corn flour and mix that in. Some sesame, which goes in at the end. I've got a tablespoon, you can't really see that, of white vinegar, and some optional MSG. If you don't want to use MSG, just use regular salt. That's it. So as a first step, what we're going to do is coat our tofu pieces in corn flour. It's going to give them a really nice crispiness on the outside, but it's also going to soak up some of the flavors as well. Next, we're going to fry them until they're golden brown on each side. After a few minutes, you'll already feel that they're nice and crispy. Just take them out, and you're going to place them on some kitchen towel just to absorb the excess oil. Now we can move on to the sauce. So with a little bit of oil in our wok, we're going to start off by charring our onions. Then we're going to add our ginger and the lemon pieces, but we want the lemon pieces to infuse a bit, so don't cook them too much. Just let them release some of the flavor, and then we're literally just going to add everything else. If you're enjoying this video, please do check out the rest of my channel. I've got some incredible videos on other Chinese cuisine as well, whether you're trying to make a chow mein, egg fried rice, vegan, 100% vegan as always. I'll be showing you the authentic methods which Chinese takeaways use. Then once our sauce is ready, we're just going to add our tofu, let it soak for a bit, and plate it up. Goes very well with rice, of course, and it's just nice on its own as well. Here we have it, folks. As you can see, absolutely beautiful dish. See the tofu, so I'm trying to do this one-handed. The tofu's got a nice kind of batter on the outside, and it's lovely, absolutely lovely. Let's do a taste test. It's exactly how it's done. It's sweet, it's tangy, just everything you could want from this dish, literally just as it is in the Chinese takeaway. Just a really, really cool dish. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment down below. And of course, the subscribe goes a very long way. Thank you, everyone. Ciao for now. See you next time.